Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use CSS rounded borders. The border radius property, radius property in CSS is used to add rounded borders to an element. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document, we are having this. All these four angles, we are having it in our shorthand property. Can you see we are having this our four angles shorthand property in the CSS. Now let's add a border, but let me say for instance now let's comment out this and add border radius without any border. Let's write border radius. Let's give our border radius 100 pixels. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not displaying at all? You're unable to see it. So it's on heads. You have to show the value of this, to see how it works. Everything is working along with the border. If you don't specify border that you want to use, it can't be able to specify the border radius. Now let's specify the border which we want to use. Let's use this border shorthand property and give it let's give it 23 pixels and give it 23 pixels. Let's give it solid border and let's give it red. Now let's reload our document. Now can you see this is our border radius by the left and the right here. If we try to remove this border radius, let's comment it out, save and reload. Can you see the way our document is looking, the edge of our document? And when we try to place the border again, the border radius, when we try to place it, when we use border radius property, we can use, let's use 255 pixels. Reload your document. Can you see how it looks? And you can also use this in your text. Let's say we can select our h1 tag. Our h1 tag can have the border radius. Can you see our h1 tag is having all this kind of border radius? You can also decrease it if you want. You can change it to 2. You also have a rounded border in your, can you see? So it just depends on what you want to do. Try to use it at your own taste. So let's use fit set. Let's use it in our fit set also, so you can see how it looks in our fit set right here. Can you see? See the way it's looking? It's looking nice, right? It's looking right? So I want you guys to practice this, because practice makes perfect. There's no any magic in this. If you don't do it, no one can do that for you. Can you see how it's looking? So let's get back to our document. I think we have discussed about this border rounded CSS rounded border property. This is the CSS border radius property in details. Now you can try your best with it. All CSS border properties that we have covered so far, we have covered the border property, border bottom property, the border bottom color property, and the border bottom style property. The border bottom width, border color, border left color, border left style, border left width, border radius, border right color, border right style, border right width, border style, border top, border color, border top width, border width. So in our next tutorial, we are still going to be exploring more about all this. But as you can see, we have covered a lot of things. So far. You can check our playlist on CSS borders. For you to know everything, you have to know about borders in details. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next.